Looking for the best travel hair dryers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 travel hair dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Conair Vagabond Compact 1875 Watt Folding Handle. Despite being small and quiet, this dryer is powerful. The ergonomic design feels good in the hand. This compact, folding hair dryer is perfect for travel, yet it works well as a full-size dryer. The highest setting doesn't seem powerful enough, and it can pull your hair into the motor if it gets too close. At number 2. Revlon 1875 watts Compact Travel Hair Dryer. Not just for travel, this dryer is powerful and quiet and quickly dries hair. Unbeatable in price, this hair dryer is compact and lightweight but not as small as some travel models tend to be. There are only 2 temps, low temp seems too weak and high temp gets extremely hot. At number 1. JeanReed Junior101 Professional Hair Dryer 1000 watts Travel Hair Dryer. Compact, lightweight, and easy to handle. It provides a lot of heat and also has a cool button. The small size of this affordable dryer is perfect to throw in your suitcase or gym bag, but it isn't powerful enough for all types of hair. It can take longer to dry some types of hair with this one. Some owners report problems with the attachment staying on. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.